Телесабак.
Hello, boys and girls. Again, I'm here, your teacher for a short period of time. Do you remember my name? My name is Li Svetlana Sergeyevna. Today, we will continue our English course. The topic of our course of today's day is the world around us. The world around us. Well, we will learn and read and write some new words, describe some pictures using simple common sentences and lexical units on this theme. The world around us. Please, now you will learn new words. Look at the pictures. Look at the words. Listen to me. Try to understand what these words mean. And repeat after me. River, flower, cloud. River, flower, cloud. Lake, mountain. Lake, mountain. Sky, bird, field. Sky, bird, field. Write the words in the plural form. Plural, when a lot of things, not one thing. This is a river, one river. These are two rivers, two rivers. This is one flower, this is one flower. These are three flowers, these are three flowers. This is a cloud. This is a cloud. These are two clouds. These are two clouds. This is a lake. This is a lake. These are two lakes. These are two lakes. That is a mountain. That is a mountain. Those are two mountains. Those are two mountains. This is a bird, one bird. This is a bird. These are two birds. These are two birds. This is a field. This is a field. These are two fields. These are two fields. Now, your task is to write these words in the right order, to put all letters in order. And open your exercise books, write them. Let's check. Flower, flower, lake, lake, mountain, mountain, cloud, cloud, bird, bird, river, river, field, field. Now, boys and girls, look at this picture. Match questions with the right answers. What are these? They are birds. What are those? They are mountains. What is this? It's a lake. What is that? That is a yurt. Well, look at the answer. You are right, I think. 1A, 2D, 3B, 4C. Put the words in order, then we will check. Clouds the white are. The clouds are white. Yurts two are there. There are two yurts. Are gray they? They are gray. Is lake big this? This lake is big. Blue is it. It is blue. Red flowers there are. The flowers are red. Now, let's describe this picture. This is my garden. It is not my garden, it is Akıl's garden. On behalf of Akıl, I am going to read this story. This is my garden. The garden is big. It is beautiful. There are many apple trees. The trees are green. They are tall. There are many birds in the garden. There aren't any frogs. And there isn't a lake in my garden. There are many flowers. The flowers are red. They are nice. I love my garden. Answer the questions, boys and girls. I think you understood how Akıl described his garden. Let's remember. Are the birds small? Of course, Akıl will answer, yes, there are. Are there any birds in Akıl's garden? Yes, there are. Are there any flowers in Akıl's garden? Yes, there are. Are the flowers yellow? No, they are not. Is there a river in Akıl's garden? No, there is not. Is there a house in Akıl's garden? No, there is not. Boys and girls, look at the picture. You're tasked to finish some sentences using new words. The flowers are nice. They are blue. Yes, you're right. There are two frogs. They are green. The fish is red and black. The cat is orange. It is very nice. Blue, frogs, green, fish, red, cat, nice. Let's remember what we have done today. Boys and girls, we have learned new words and we tried to read and write these new words. We tried to describe pictures using simple common sentences and lexical units on the theme, the world around us. Now I hope that you can describe the world around us using these new words. Your homework is to write 5 sentences about your town, about Bishkek. Or if you live in Osh, about Osh. If you live in Karabalta, about Karabalta. So about the place where you live. For example, in my garden, the trees are green, there are many flowers, the fish is black, there are birds in the sky, they are black. So, but don't forget, you should write 5 sentences about the place where you live. Goodbye, boys and girls. I love you very much. You are wonderful, good boys and girls.